Day officially begins day one renovations. But before we can do that, Brooke and I actually have to take our little dog Ollie out to the vet. Today, we actually get the fire marshal to inspect the motorhome. We can start renovating it and tearing everything out. You ready, big dude? You ready to go get them teeth cleaned? Hop in. He's in his captain's seat. We're here. We just dropped Ollie off. Now we gotta go ahead to True Values, pick up a quick smoke detector so we can pass this test. Just got back to the motorhome this morning. We're just gonna lightly adhere it with some Scotch mounting putty temporarily so we can just rip it right back off.
Okay, so we just got a notification. Some of our Amazon packages are here, so we're gonna go look and see what they are. Let's go. Ooh, quite a bit actually.
Ooh, we're gonna throw them in the toy home.
Oh.
That's the MaxxAir Fan. That's one of them.
Oh, she's heavy.
We gotta go get our dude.
Oh yeah, we gotta go get our dude from the dentist. Well, from his teeth. Oh, sure.
Heavy?
Yeah.
This is a hefty. I bet all kinds of goodies are here.
I'm so ready.
Tricky.
Oh no. Oh shoot! Oh Curry! Why do you do this to yourself?
Alright, hang on.
I saved this guy. Ta-da!
Ah, she's in here and she's loaded. And I need a belt because my pants are about to fall off my rear.
Okay, you've been working out too good. Alright, let's go get our man.
Let's go get our dude.
Aw.
Just picked up Ollie Bub. He's clean as a whistle. Breath smells good, Big Chief. Let's go. So now let's go up on the roof, take the old vent out. That is the first fan we've got to tackle. We need to take this off as well. Let's go ahead and do that. We're just gonna toss that bad boy off. Could have been worse. We've actually got all of the screws in the bottom track off of the old vent, and we're actually gonna go up top now. Unscrew the top, get all that excess gunk off, rip that thing out, hot wire it into this 12-volt light. Well, splice it. Yeah, that'll be our 12-volt power source for our MaxxAir fan. She's brought the cavalry.
Good morning. It's not morning anymore.
Nope. Tis not.
Just take it off. Okay, give me that. Take it.
I don't.
I wish we had bought two of those, because then you could be working on one side and I could be working on one side. Ollie, where'd you go, bub? Hi, little boy. Are you being good? You being good? Cookie.
Took my bit. Hey, you better watch out. We got another screw. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can I get a oh yeah?
What color should we paint this?
Paint what?
This.
The rail?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Black? Silver?
I think we're just gonna keep it.
Keep it the way it is, so repaint it silver. Gosh, it's super bright.
This is a sheet metal roof.
What does that mean?
The metal is sheet. I mean, the roof is a metal made of sheet. A sheet made of metal. Okay, there we go.
So very thin.
Very, very thin, but sufficient.
Why did you do that? So gross. There's a hole in our home.
There's a snake in my boot.
Woo! It's off.
Look at all this gunk on it.
Straight down to the bathroom.
Hello.
Anybody home?
See, so this is the difference between the Dolphins and our model, the Sunlander
Yeah.
Express. The Dolphins actually are wooden frame. This is why we were really attracted to this model. Win-win?
Chicken din.
Yeah. Now it's time to clean this bad boy up and get all this excess of adhesive off, alcohol the shiz out of it, and scrub it, and we're good.
Ew.
What a scrub brush. All right, so we've got this old vent out, and we have a MaxxAir Fan model 5100K. Problem is, if you can see here, or this will be inserted into the existing hole, and then all of this segment here protrudes from the rear. That is a problem in this installation because if you can see over here, the railing is in the way. We're thinking of cutting from this joint here all the way to back here and just leaving that segment exposed. That way the MaxxAir Fan can function as normal. Safety first. Hey.
Huh?
So while Brooke's up there cleaning that, our plan is to tie into the 12-volt supply here at the RV lot. Since this is aluminum framed, my understanding is that we're probably gonna have to drill a hole through that aluminum, pull this out temporarily, splice some wires, maybe put a grommet on the interior hole itself, and then feed the spliced wires through.
My body!
It's telling me yes.
Ew, I'm gonna throw it away.
Back in action. Sit that there. So that's down.
Her little tail's cold. Okay, what's the game plan?
So while I'm in there, Brooke is gonna take out this factory captain's chair, and then we'll figure out what to do with that space later.
Yes, hopefully a put bed at the bottom, mixed with the chair, mixed with the desk. Let's go. Very nice. I can't get a good grip on. Don't you start barking.
Hello, girl. Woo! You look so good. What are you doing? You're not rotating it the right way, bro.
What? What the?
Oh my goodness.
Using the tools. Oh, that was not bad. Not bad, not bad. Now we have a whole spot. Oh, strong man go out the door. Oh! Hurt myself.
Yeah.
Can you grab the leg?
I can.
The bottom?
Let me. One of these is going to be tied into the light switch replacement, and then this one's going to bridge to our Max fan. It'll work.
It'll work.
We are going to drill a hole here to route the two wires we just pigtailed in through here for supply. Since I went through 3 layers of aluminum, I can't get it. I can't guide it through. Like I see the hole. All right. Shall we go? Wow.
Woo! We did it.
That's pretty long. Popped it back in here. Routed it around.
Put it in the white thing.
I've got enough room to run it through that.
You do.
We are going to butyl tape it and then Eternabond tape the surface, then coat the entire roof with rubber roof coating. Okay, so the butyl tape has been installed. Now we simply just screw the roof flange cover in. Those wires need fed down here. And before we lock this in, let's go down and see if we can get those wires routed to where we need them. So now I'm just taking the positive and negative leads from the MaxxAir fan and just feeding them through here. Now you can see I've actually reached the end here. So if I tug on it, check that out. Beautiful.
Oh wow, we have light.
Battery was shot. Completely dead.
So we just need a new one.
Yeah, which we already ordered. This is the scenario we have down here. MaxxAir fan is on and running, and you can designate whether you want that air to flow out or in. Listen at that bad boy purr.
Ooh, I don't want no more of that. That's cold. I'm really tired. It's been a really long day.
Yeah.
We've done a lot though.
Oh yeah, and this light can be turned on.
Woo! We got light!
Ah. Ooh, baby. Woo! Oh, I turned the furnace on, but well, while I'm here, maybe she don't work.
We'll find out. Day 2.
We're actually here on the underside while Brooke's up there doing that. We are going to drill another hole through here, feed these wires back through, pull this down, and then tie into the wiring so that we can feed our MaxxAir wires through here and then down through here. Just like we did on the other MaxxAir fan. With our fancy, handy dandy drill bit set. You got the square head or the Phillips bit. Brooke's been tearing up heck up there. This would be a great opportunity to use our handy dandy endoscope so we can see what in the heck's going on up there. Booyah! Look at the quality on that. That's 1080p if I ever seen it. Oh baby, I think I got it. Dang, it just sounds so chaotic all the time. Now, got the wires routed around the MaxxAir fan. Now, you see that? Clot's in.
Excuse me, sir. The bag.
Ooh, I just got a Christmas gift from Santa Claus.
Oh yeah.
Seems like she works.
Test it out.
Pretty decent sized remote for this little space. Oh hey, alright. You got a scraper for me?
Hey, I brought you something to help you over.
You're a wonderful woman, you know that?
Mm-hmm.
My lovely lady brought me some peanut butter crackers, boy. There you go, son. I'm talking to the fam. MaxxAir fan, it's secured to the receiving frame, and it's cold outside. All right, folks, I'm gonna go plug the battery charger back up, get our DC pumping in here, and we're gonna see if this bad boy works. You'll probably hear it before I do. Let's go. We're gonna check the other remote, make sure it works. I call that a win.
That looks nice.
The MaxxAir fans are installed and wired.
I'm happy. It's just one step closer to like being inside working on it, and that's what I'm really excited for. And we'll be able to have heat because we're in fall. We're not even in winter yet. We're freezing.
Yeah, it's cold. If we could get in the building and then heat that, at least heat would retain in there somewhat. But MaxxAir fans are up. Phase 1 of a lot of phases. Still got to put the garnish rings in. We've got those stored elsewhere because we still got to do a lot of sealing work. All right, everybody. That is going to be a wrap for MaxxAir installation.
We got all 3 fans up now, and they're all hooked up to the electrical wiring.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. I think we're going to go inside, grab grab some din and warm up because it's freezing out here. Peace out. Catch you on the flip-flop. Bam!